brand new round of Dollar Days coupons, and every deal in this group is priced from $1 to $9. These coupons are good in store or online now through September 9th, and you don't have to be an Inside Track Club member to use them. There are 24 coupons altogether, so I'm going to run through them pretty quick, from the cheapest to the most expensive, and see which ones may be worth picking up. I'm Daryl, 63 and counting. Let's start with the dollar deals. First is the Gordon multi-purpose scissors for $1. These are the basic shop scissors with the larger handles, and at $1 they would be easy to keep in the garage, kitchen, or toolbox. Next is the 100-pack of Storehouse cable ties for $1. You can choose the 5-inch black or the 4-inch white ties. Cable ties are one of those things I always seem to find a use for. This may be one of the easiest coupons in the group to use. The 4-inch chip brush is also $1. This is a cheap brush for glue, stain, touch-up work, cleaning parts, or any job you may want to clean and save the brush and not save the brush afterwards. The last $1 item is the Gerson tack cloth. This is made for picking up fine dust before painting, applying a finish, so woodworkers and anyone doing paint preparation may want to grab one. Now let's move to the $2 coupons. The Western Safety impact-resistant safety glasses are $2. For that price, you can keep an extra pair near the workbench, mower, or power tools instead of searching for the same pair every time. The Luminar Everyday 100-lumen swivel lens LED headlamp is also $2. This stands out to me because a hands-free light for $2 can be useful for working under a sink, looking under a hood, or dealing with a power outage. Next is the 6-piece detail brush for $2. The set includes different brush styles for cleaning, tight areas, small parts, vents, trim, and other places a larger brush won't reach. The Storehouse 18-compartment small storage container is $2. This could work for screws, terminals, small hardware, fishing tackles, or hobby supplies. At $2, this is another one I expect could move out pretty quickly. You can also get a 10-pack of Storehouse 14 to 16 gauge watertight heat shrink butt connectors for $2. These are used for automotive, trailer, mower, or outdoor wiring repairs where you want more protection from moisture than a standard connector provides. At $3, we start the Pittsburgh Telescoping Inspection Mirror. This is for seeing behind an appliance, around an engine, or into a spot where your head won't fit. The Hallmaster 5/16" quick links come in 3-pack for $3. This can be useful for light-duty connections, hanging items, or keeping chains and other equipment organized. Be sure to match the link to the load and do not treat as lifting hardware unless it's specifically rated for that job. The Pittsburgh 3-inch C-clamp is $3. It's a basic clamp, but it's handy for holding small work pieces, gluing, or making a quick repair at the bench. The last $3 deal may be one of the best practical buys in this group. It's a Hallmaster 500-pound capacity 1-inch by 14 ratcheting tie-down. Even if you already have straps, an extra one in a truck or garage usually gets used sooner or later. There are 2 items at $4. The Grant's Ultra Plus Chenille Microfiber Wash Mitt is $4. Simple car washing mitt, but the thick microfiber fingers are designed to hold soap and help lift dirt away from the paint. The Niagara 32-ounce professional spray bottles come in a 2-pack for $4. You could use these for cleaners, detailing products, lawn and garden mixtures, or other properly labeled shop liquids. At $5, the Hallmaster Mini Elastic Stretch Cords come in a 20-piece container. There are smaller cords for organizing and securing lighter items, and the reusable container should help keep them from ending up scattered all over your garage. The Merlin 16-ounce air tool oil is $5. If you use pneumatic tools, keeping them properly lubricated can help protect the internal parts and extend tool life. The Grant's Auto Detailing Dirt Guard is also $5. It fits buckets from 3.5 to 7 gallons and sits at the bottom to help keep dirt and grit away from your wash mitt. The Pittsburgh 2-pound neon orange dead blow hammer is $6. A dead blow hammer reduces rebound and delivers force without the same surface damage you might get from a steel hammer. The bright orange color should also make it harder to lose in your shop. Also at $6 is the Storehouse 60-piece blade fuse set. You can choose the standard fuse assortment or the ATM mini assortment, so check what your vehicle or equipment uses before buying. For $7, Harbor Freight has the Merlin 5-piece air blow gun with extensions. The different extensions can help reach into machines, engine compartments, and other tight spaces when you need to blow out dust or debris. Always use compressed air safely and wear eye protection. At $8, there is a Merlin 3/8" by 15-foot rubber air hose lead with 3/8" NPT fittings. A short lead hose can make connecting to an air compressor or hose reel easier and can reduce strain on the main connection. The Vulcan MIG welder contact tips are also $8 for a 10-pack. They're available in .25, .30, and .35, so make sure you choose a size that matches the wire you normally run. The highest price coupon in this Dollar Days group is still only $9. It's the Pittsburgh 3/8 drive quick release ratchet. This is a basic ratchet with a lifetime warranty and $9 may make it a good backup for the garage, truck, or roadside toolkit. Those are all 24 of the new Dollar Days coupons, and they're good through September 9th. My strongest practical values are probably the $2 headlamp, the $2 storage container, the $3 ratcheting tie down, $6 fuse assortment, and the $9 ratchet. But the best deal doesn't depend on me, it depends on what you'll actually use. Which of these would you pick? Are they my favorites? Let me know in the comments. And remember to check the coupon deals and item number before you head to the store. These coupons show a limit of 4 per customer per day, and availability can vary by location. Thanks for watching, and until that next video, y'all take care.